Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start with Essentials, your Hack the Box account and the provided Vpn file. Open your terminal or client and place the Vpn where you can access it. Make sure you run with elevated privileges. Once done, identify the network adapter name you'll use and confirm no conflicting VPNs are running. Now execute the client command to import or connect the Vpn file. This begins the secure tunnel to the HTB lab so you can reach isolated machines. After launching the connection, monitor the output for authorization and routing lines. These show you've authenticated and routes are pushed. Make sure you accept any certificate prompts and enter credentials exactly as provided. Once the tunnel is up, verify the adapter received an HTB IP and that a default route or specific routes to 10.0.0/16 example were created. This ensures traffic to labs flows through the VPN. If routing is missing, you'll need to add the pushed routes manually to reach targets. Finish by verifying access. Ping a known HTTP host and run a quick Nmap scan to ensure services respond. If you can't reach targets, stop and restart the VPN client, then recheck local firewall rules and the routing table to ensure traffic goes via the TUN adapter. Make sure your DNS isn't leaking. Use IP-based checks first. One key troubleshooting tip: read the client log top to bottom. Authentication failures, missing routes, or permission errors are usually obvious there and guide your next fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.